And both are very crucial presentations that will attract a lot of scrutiny, because this is one of the last set pieces before we go to the polls later this year. You don't get a bigger stage than that of the debates to put out your store, to outline what you have on offer and at what price. Yes? And why you have the best bargains in town, and why we should come into your store, and why we should dip into our pockets to buy what you have on offer, and what discounts you're going to give us. What sale you have. And tomorrow, Mark Golding will have a moment to really demonstrate to those Jamaicans who, according to our polls, don't make up their minds, haven't made up their minds about him.